lights on now. This is loughbrough where I've been before myself, but I've come with a friend because we were splashing some bell ropes. So I thought I'd come back and see my favourite place. See it and then put it on. That's where the Cavalon Tower is, it's there, but... Oh, it's there, it's over there. Just over there, follow me. It's there. There it is. Oh no, what's happened here? It's broken. It's like a grandfather clock tower, is that? There they are, that's what I was showing you. Brand new, brought down this year. That's my friend talking. Might say, wow. So it's only a Westminster chime. If it had more bells that came down, it would sound nice with plenty of tunes. That's the tenor bell right at the back up there, so it's got a Westminster chime for every hour and quarter hour. What is it? What is it? A monument? Hope! Hope? It says Hope Monument? Oh, I better do something on this. It's called a Hope Bell. So it was done in 2025, that, made for here, this year. Shame we haven't got one in Huddersfield or Bedford. No, I'm going to do it again just to read it properly. What about it? Oh, we're doing this one. It's cold. Hang on. Alan's gone without me. Something, my friend Alan. That's good, is that, isn't it? Shame we don't play a different tune each day like Bradford Town Hall. But it's nice that we've got that. I'm waiting for it. Excuse me. You get your camera thing. Yeah. Need to get that buoy up there, that big buoy. It's an important thing, but I don't know how did they stick it up like that? I don't get it, man. Wow. So it's a hope bell for Loughbrough. How did they stick it up there, man? I can't believe it didn't have a headstock on big tenor bell. Is it? How did it go up like that? Oh, it's got legs to stand on for that big tenor bell. That's what it's got. It's got some legs without a headstock frame. Wow. Oh, don't worry, I'll just... Oh, there's two. Is it the same one again? Hang on. Oh, I haven't done this one yet. Just got to get this one in. I didn't know there were two. Just let me read the writing. Thank you. Nice soft carving stone is that. Government of the Charmwood. I'll have to do it from the other side now. This is Loughbrough Queen's Park with this Charmwood Hope Bell. So let me just see it from the other side, so you can see it from this angle. See the head frame of him. Oh, there's only two. There's only two of that sign. Right, I'm going to move on now. Shame we haven't got one like that in Halifax, one of them at Peace Hall with 20 bells for a carillon. Shame we haven't got one. We'd like one. So let me just stand out the sun, I can get them both in. Have it like Linley Clock Tower, so you both got them together. That's the casting of Great Ball over there. Fun? Yeah. Oh yeah, because it's slippy, sorry. Right, I'm here now. Let's see what I can find. A tour of Loughbrough. Oh, I've been. I'm going to get him. Don't you worry. Okay. Well, this doesn't take photographs, I'm afraid. It doesn't. Right, but I'll get it. Yeah. 2 minutes. I'll get in. Snake. There's the cafe just here for next time. That one, that's the cafe I'm on about, or telling you about. That one. You just go in there and you just get what you want and you just sit down and relax. And then you got the bird table here.